Ugly duckly. Let's do this. Yeah, yeah, let's do this. Where's some code? So where am I? Let's reopen that there. Yeah, I think generally, to be fair, the animation part is sorted. The next, I need to do the controls and triggering the moves. So splitting them up. Cool, 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 cool. Well, let me make sure. Let me try and elaborate on animations and make sure it has all the right stuff. Because that's kind of important.
Did you think will they fix this on the
No, the
mirrors?
mirroring. No, yeah, I'm not doing all the animations. I just want to make sure it's getting the right notifiers and all that. Yada yada yada. Jump. Well, let's go. Start. Okay. We did the mirroring, but it did elaborate. Press blend out. Okay. Not good. Not good. Okay, some values are wrong. Um, I didn't blend out. Why do I set that? Oh, yeah, can't be play length minus that. That is very wrong. Pretty sure it's just this thing. I was like, what is this value getting it from? Also, takeoff. It seems like these animations really struggle to calculate the takeoff time now. I'm not sure why. Okay, a couple things to fix there. What's that like? Oh, God. Okay. Ah, hold on. Yeah, when it should blend out. Wait, what the hell? No, no, I think I've corrected it. Let's see here. Elaborate you again. Okay, now we're talking. Ah, yeah. Pretty sure I just got set to the handrest tag. Okay. Oh, mate, what is going on here? Oh, It's just a bit messy. We just don't really need this. So resolved. Yeah. Or just the landing sync time. Either or. Seems like it's correct actually. Why is it picking up landing there? That's pretty crazy. Okay, nice. Okay. Take off, land rest, climax. What the blend out is it? Take off immersion. Nice. Okay. Looks pretty clean. Nice. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, now I need to just know why the names are super funny. um, there'll be a reason why the names are going to be weird. Once I fix that, that should be the end of it. Um, How do the names? That's not know. Oh, in here, there it is.
That's okay.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm. Highly sus. Very sus behavior. Dado.
Yeah.
In the human toolkit, any reason why the naming of the thing has gone a little wonky? It's fine. I mean everything's fine, and it says Volt. There's like Volt E jump type max rather than saying like
Oh, very sus. Yeah, no, that doesn't sound good.
it's weird though because my Volt type is fine, but it doesn't. I mean, if I go E jump type and where is it? Is it used anywhere? Yeah.
Oh, that is it doesn't detect the enum correctly.
Sus because it should. I'm not sure why it doesn't. Ooh, highly sus. Highly sus. Hmm. 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 Sus, my friend.
Yeah, that's totally sus. I wouldn't trust it.
I don't know why though. It's kind of annoying me. I'm like, why? Yeah, I don't see why it wouldn't. Because it does. It seems to in the enum I see when it has Volt type. The enum is there. It's done fine. But here it just says E jump type underscore max. So where in the who to hoot is it an E jump type underscore max? Wait, let me see actually in the
Oh, and max is the last entry of the Unreal Engine enum. You know when
yes.
we define it as enum, like with the like capital E, like for the Unreal Engine one,
Hmm.
the Unreal Engine macro, he adds a max at the end of the enum just to
Yeah, I'm still
yeah
wondering
make
why
sure.
it's saying E jump type though. Why it's using the jump type enum when I'm clearly on the Volt type enum. Highly, highly sus. Um, because it says it's a Volt. It's like Volt and then go E jump type, which is sus because it's not an E jump type. So this seems to still be getting classified as a Volt.
Oh, now Volt are first class citizen, right?
Yeah, but I've got their own Volt type. I'm just a bit confused as to why it
Oh,
would.
probably you need to change the dictionary type, right?
Yeah, I've changed it.
You change it. Okay.
I've changed. Yeah, everywhere like I see E jump type in terms of the data in the data table into it. There is a Volt type counterpart that looks correct.
Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. Highly, highly sus. This has one, two, three, 4, 5. What's going on here, man? What the hell is going on here, man? Oh. Oh. It was Guns' fault. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Ah. You have been spotted. Yeah, get enum of human and in parameter type. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got you. I got you. I found you. I found the culprit. Alright, cool. That should sort that. And that will put a check on the anim tool. Then we can move then we can move to the gameplay controls. Actually, you know what? We could do the gameplay stuff controls last because they work like they're fine. Let me just re-elaborate this. Make sure. Should give me a nice, pretty name, and it does. Yeah. You know what's dodgy on here is. Yeah, I think I might prefer this way to be honest. Actually. Go away. Go away. Don't come back today. To be fair, that's fine. Got rid of all that crap. Yeah. Yeah. No. Cool. Cool. That is. I'm happy with that. That's fine. That works nicely. I think. Yeah. Okay. So we've got our tool, which will. So now we separated the jumps from the vaults, from the flips, from the dive rolls into the human anim types, which is nice. Much better separation. I much prefer that. Um. Yeah. Cool. All right. Next up, let's see. Let's just delete all this crap. It's all sus. All sus. Oh. I just want to elaborate one animation, make sure it's correct. And then I think I'm gonna go through the flow of the jump, make sure that does what I need it to do. And then I'll go through the flow of the vault. Then I'll go through the flow of the flip. Um, and then once they're all good, I'll sort out the controls, and then I will go to bed. Because tomorrow I'm gonna have to re-elaborate everything. But not really, because I'm gonna delete a lot of animations. Do one. I'll just start one of each for now. Vault has none. Jump. Okay, let's steal a jump. Steal a jump. Mm. Not the best jump to steal. Let's do a bench Crawley one. That's a good jump to steal. Yeah, we'll steal this one. Let's go Volt. Start keyframe, end keyframe, landing keyframe. Sus. Okay, so starts. And let's get rid of that. Let's see how this behaves. Let's go. This is a cat pass, and we're jumping over something. Elaborate. We'll do that one. Okay. Yeah, it's not. I don't know. It's recently. It's not been liking being able, been calculating takeoff very well.
Hmm.
He always just sets it to the end of the thing.
Ah, yeah, we may have a problem there.
I mean, obviously you can just manually set it, which I just do because. And I think the retarget skeleton is slightly off the ground in terms of from the root. If you see my screen,
Oh, that is the offset, right? For
yeah, it's like 5 centimeters off the ground. It's quite a bit actually when you look at it.
yes. Yeah, I think before you re-elaborate all, I think I'd like to have a pass and just check that all these things are.
Yeah, yeah, 100%. I'm not touching it until it's all yeah. Because I mean, it may as well same if we also fix the that rotational thing on the backflip
Oh
where
yes, that one I know what it is. Yes, we can do it.
yeah. So it's the let me see. So it's anim cutter fixes. That includes root offset above ground, takeoff, landing, not calculating properly, root rotated, active, animals, facing the wrong direction. Okay. So I'm just manually landing. Take off. Rest. Climax. And land. Start and then do look height adjusted. All right. Alrighty then. Ba-da-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Okay. Well, other than that, I'm playing much. That's a much better way of doing it. Cool. So let's. Ba-dum. Yeah, let's. Okay, let's go now and go through the flow from the input all the way through to make sure that it all looks good. So for example, you do a jump, get that, whatever. Um, do jump, do jump. Ah, this is already the first thing. So jump to execute. Yeah, I guess if jump parametric. I don't know if I like them that being F jump parametric, but I guess it is because it is all a type of jump realistically. Really should be anim input and then anim input. Yeah, let's change it because in here. Call it anim inputs to be honest. Sure, let's do this. Mm. This way. Yeah, and then have a bunch of these every time I want to change it. It's just like depending on time. You can change it. It should still work. I shouldn't actually have any problems. And so then that will give us then we do jump. See, this is much better. This way. Right. So we say, cool. So we say, can you remind when to do a jump? All right, cool. So we input whatever, if it's that, so we've released it, or that we've held it for longer, we built enough power. They say, okay, do jump. Jump manager, go ahead and jump. Give us a jump queued. Which jump type. Anim inputs of type, jump type, jump queued. Lovely. So so yeah, because this scheiße. Okay, let's change up. Let's just make it generalized. So let me say if we can jump, which is basically saying, okay, well, hmm, oh, much I don't prefer this, I do prefer it because you're being specific as to what's actually passing to it because it's now it's at least it's relevant to you know what type of thing it is. So say, okay, if we're not jumping and not falling and we're not climbing, and then we can jump. Cool. Get rid of this stuff. Yeah. Hey, Nosferatu, how you doing? It is. It's almost 3 a.m. But you know how it is. You know, got to do what you got to do. Okay. Now, I don't like this assess jump con. Oh, that means I have to change everything. I mean, I could just do the enemy contact. I don't like it being jump, which is vault and jump. It's like, let's separate it. Normal. Onto, over. Nah, that is you lurking.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Is this anim across something? Is this anim off something? Is this anim over something? Is this anim onto something? Is this anim just normal? Cool. Okay. Let me say jump. I don't know actually. I guess it's really like assess action context. That's what it should be, really. You're doing an action. What is the context of that? Rather than just that, yeah. Yeah, I prefer that. Yeah, that makes more sense. So, cool. So, assess your action context, right? So, this will say, action context is equal to normal action context, and then this will return. Oh, am I stupid? And this will return whatever context your action is in. And it says, okay, cool. Then here we're gonna. It's okay. So now in this, we're gonna evaluate the desired jump. See, I think this should be. I don't think this should be a base. Yeah, I think then we have evaluate desired jump, right? All these are purely jump managed ones. The vault manager don't care about this, you know. So what? It shouldn't. It isn't a base class thing. Like evaluate your desired jump takes. Well, yeah, because now actually you're always doing a jump, so you actually need to do it. So this is not even a case of switching on that. Okay, you know what? Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah, I guess realistically, let's rename it. Evaluate desired. Yeah, because then this should be the action manager base, not the jump manager. Yeah. So what is the action you want to do? Well, evaluate action. And there's something like this. These aren't virtual voids. These are. See, this is a virtual void. realistically, because then this is also a template. I'm trying to think if the volt or flip care about it. I don't think they do. It's just the jump that has all these other things you need to evaluate. The other ones are pretty self-contained actions. Like a flip is a flip, a jump is a jump. No, a flip is a flip, a volt is a volt. So it's the jump that we're really evaluating all that stuff. Yeah, it's only the jump, really, that we do all of that evaluation. So realistically, yeah, it is only the jump that we do all those evaluations. How specify has actually made it more. I guess. Well, it's only for the inputs. Once you actually go ahead and do the thing, it doesn't matter. You're selecting the animation. You're going off the animations, not the input at that point. Then feels wrong using as anime inputs execute jump. Having multiple, whereas it like an input of type that makes it feel. See, oh, how's progress tonight? Oh, slow and steady. A lot of animation tool code. Ah, you know what? You know, here's more.
Ooh, it's moving. Completely wrong, but
It's moving. Oh, but it is moving.
right. So I got motion matching from the Unreal Engine prefer
Mm.
the
Bougie,
native
bougie, bougie, bougie,
moving.
bougie.
I mean, it's horrible, but something. Definitely something.
Something is better than nothing. Some would
I
say.
mean, I got one animation, so it's I'm asking a little bit too much. But
No, you're asking not enough, is it? All right, so let me see. You don't care about this guy. Yeah.
it's behaving quite well. To me. What is the debug thing? I have a very sneaky suspicion that once calibrated is going to work.
Also, if it does give us more control of the blending and whatnot, well, I'm not. And if it gives us more control over the trajectory, I am not complaining.
Yeah, not sure. Yeah, it looks simpler to understand and simpler to use. But yeah, the thing that it doesn't have, though, is that the traits, and I really like the traits in Motion Symphony because it's
Oh
pretty good.
yeah.
But I saw the way they do it is too many is a bit pants, but they have a mini state machine with
Ah.
yeah with
What?
the motion matching nodes. But it's not like turn left, right, and stuff like that.
Mm.
It's only like walk, run, jog. It's like it's linear. It's not like
Yeah, it is like state there. Okay.
they are basically traits, but
State.
yeah,
So assess action context.
I'm quite happy to be honest. It's moving, so I have to
Hmm.
see the debugging, but
Say
yeah,
action context. Cool. I like that actually. I like this now. Let me say evaluate your desired action. Now this is the guy that is. So I think this can be a virtual void. But. I'm not. Because like the evaluate running jump. That's that is just evaluate jump. Like this should always like should be like this, and then it should be like evaluate precision jump within it.
ooh, almost.
So evaluate your desired action here. All right. Then switch on your context, right? And if you want to do a cross, then you evaluate some kind of precision jump. Otherwise, okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get rid of this guy. Get rid of you. We're gonna do first. We're gonna move you into here. Like that. I don't want to be static. Cool. We'll move in here. This is also going to be perspective one. This is purely that, and then we're going to move this evaluate desired action. We're going to say vertical void evaluate desired action override. Generate a definition for you. Pop you in here like that. So now what we've done here is we have our base class function, which is the evaluate desired action, because all of them might want to do it. But then we override that in the jump manager to do our specific whatever we want to do. So if the action is across the cross grab, we do whatever. We do it on the execute jump. Now, however, evaluate precision jump is specific to the jump. So that's not in the base class. So we create a new function called that. And that's what we pass through. Yeah. We do that. Lovely. Okay. So that is that. Now when we do our jump, we're going to do evaluate desired action. And then we're going to pass in. And then this is going to go into here because this is the most direct. Do evaluate precision jump, do whatever it needs to do. And then it's going to say desired jump after evaluation, action context. Oh, we can actually call this a jump context, right? Let's call it action. Yeah, first. So let's say it's such an action context, develop. Then desired jump after evaluation. Let's make it pretty. Is that. And then we'll initialize that with the jump of the execute jump, right? And then we'll say filter out the enemy filter, not jump context. Action context. So when we filter this out, filter candidate, go to our action context, return filter out jump context. What?
Marveling impressive.
Ah, doesn't actually return. So crap, yeah. Right. I think what that means is we need a common parameter, right, in our animation that is your context of your action. And that's what we can filter out for. So if I say filter out action context, it applies to all of them, not just the jump. Because I can do either multiple filter, like filter out jump context, filter out thingy one, but they all have it, so it should actually be a common parameter. So let's Isa. Okay, so jump queued. If you can jump, and then filter out the action context. Yeah. Okay, so
be honest.
None, right? They're all initialized with a none action context of none. Then we say
Oh yeah, it works. Oh, okay. I'm really happy with this.
it's working. Do share screen?
Is it?
2 seconds. I'll look now. I'm just. I know I'll forget.
So bear in mind that I only got one animation.
No, 1 second. So I'll just. No, I know I'll forget if I don't bloody.
Don't worry, I'm gonna play with it a little bit.
Oh, go away. And then action context is equal to the context. Okay. And then we say, okay, cool. So then in the jump manager, when we say filter, when we say filter out the action context, we say filter candidate, action candidate. Hmm. Ah. 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 It's filtering out of this gym. Big boy Brody, how do you stay motivated on the project other than the pay? There's no pay.
Exactly.
It's actually crazy. I think it's the thing that makes me. I think people generally think we're like this massive team and like we all get paid. Like, like
People.
really, there's two of us, and guns, slacker, um, and we don't make any money. Like, I'm so. We actually spend money. Like, yeah, it's we literally don't make money. Like it's not like there's no pay. Um, hey K-Con, how you doing? Yeah, that's funny. Um, yeah, I love that. Oh, you need, I actually need to pick the specific one. So I do need to get rid of the ones that don't match this desired context. Um, well, I was aware of Blessing Bear that you work in this game. Then this is purely 100%. Yeah, we do it just because we love it. I think this game could be something crazy. Like, I don't even think I don't even think we yet know how good it could be in terms of like what it could actually be. Like, I think it could be better than Assassin's Creed, like a lot better. But then like take all the best bits of Assassin's Creed, best bits of like other physics games, like merge them into one, and just be like, whoa, that's sick. It could like look real, feel fun, feel fast, feel fluid. I'll go on a tangent if I keep talking. Um, okay, this is the last bit really. Filter out this action context, right? Um, Now we assess the actual context here, right? Which, ironically, also sets this value here. You know what we could just do?
I'm really tempted to remove the. No, ideas are important. No, remove them, but just put it into the motion matching. But now I need control. Hmm.
What I might do? Move
Yeah.
this.
I mean, stop there.
Might just have this assess the action of the thing every frame rather than when you want to do something.
Wow.
That way.
Somehow it works. I mean, it's all pretty wrong, but it does work. All right.
Yeah, I
I mean,
mean,
I
look
like
at
it.
it. What's better than what we've got now?
Yeah, I mean, just one working animation, and like it even turns around.
Wait, do a turn? Wow. Wait, without the camera moving. Wow. It's actually really good.
I mean, I literally have one animation, and it's just going straight. It doesn't even have a turn. So, I mean, no, sorry, yeah, it goes back and forth. It's still very,
Well, it's better than what we have right now.
yeah, there is
yeah.
some more fluidity that
Yes, I'm noticing.
what I never liked about the Motion Symphony one is that from time to time it was just a little bit jittering and you couldn't really escape it. It was just, yeah, jittered.
I'm gonna every frame. So rather than
I
do
mean,
this here,
it's good.
this have this does okay. Does have
I
access to
just need
earlier.
to import more animations really. It's gonna do a test with only 2 animations. One.
What I'm gonna do instead is basically I'm gonna e
Alright, happy, happy. I'm
assess
gonna save this thing.
context.
Right, gonna go to sleep. Tomorrow morning um I'm gonna import all the animation and see if they work better.
Wait, wait. I have to see it. I know it's not fun. Cool. I'm rejigging some stuff. Bit of a decent refactor, but it should make the whole pipeline more fluid. Yeah, should make the pipeline more fluid.
Okay, Nice. I'm happy.
Cool.
Right, good. I'll catch you in the morning, maybe.
Awesome. Yeah, sounds
Right.
good though.
Yeah. Bye.
See you in a bit. Okay. Okay, it's a bit of a big rejig. So E action context, current action context, normal, right? Cool. And then so in here we're gonna say current action context is equals. You don't need to return anything. So every frame we're gonna so every frame we're gonna basically update what the action context is, right? Um, so yeah, so every frame we're gonna update what the action context is. Um, yeah, we update what the action context is, and that will allow us to basically, yeah, every frame we update what the action context is. So we're constantly saying, what can we do? What is the action? What is the context of our world? It's fine. Doesn't do any trace or anything, so it should be pretty fun in terms of like doesn't add any cost. And then so we do that, and then we say that way. Then we can access this context from all the other ones without having to like say, oh, now calculate. It's just always going. Um, Now we just need some values for some stuff. Obviously, we need like max wall height, max action distance. Mm. Yeah, I mean for now I'll do it here. So I don't know what I set them as. Yeah, so my EJ manager base, I had assess action context, right? But I'm not gonna have that anymore. And then I had these variables here. Yeah. So yeah, so this, right? And then we'll say in our character here, now we have all this stuff. So now our character will always be updating the action. So in our jump, we don't need this. Now we, yeah, now we're doing this. Okay. Cool. That's the current. So we pass in the owner and the current action is the current action context, and that'll do that. So now when we filter out this action context, right, we say filter candidate, we can say return candidate common parameters dot action context is equal to owner current action context, just like that. There we go. So what is the action context of the animation equal to what your current action context of your character is? Booyah, lovely jubbly. And that's generally just normal for most things. So some wouldn't even do this filter out. So flips may not filter out. So it wouldn't matter what your world context is. That's that there. Okay, cool. So then we then filter the weight velocity. Yep, that I'm pretty sure weight candidate velocity. Yeah, velocity at match is that. And then we say jump Z and then filter weight on the distance match. I don't think any of these stuff actually use, yeah, they don't use the jam specific stuff. So that's all cool. Awesome. And then we start jump internal, which does our jump. Count for the climax, takeoff. Yeah. This stuff I'm gonna tweak and change and adapt and do make better. But generally, yeah. I'm not a huge fan of these all being in the same function, to be honest. I think they should all be separate out, but I think it's because of what has access to what. So I'm not gonna go too crazy on that right now. I will change that later on though. I think it will be better. Especially as I add more. I don't want to have to add another internal in the jump manager base and yada yada yada. So yeah. Okay. All right, yeah. That seems actually a lot more of a nice flow. So the flow now, we go back to it. It is oh, oh my lord, I'm tired. Where's it bed? So we say jump, analyze jump, yada yada yada. Cool. Oh, the one thing I need to do, let me not forget, is in this assess action context, um, tick function of we always got after it. We've got to assess the action context. Frankly, actually, I think before we do ticks of the other stuff, I'm gonna assess the action content. Um, cool. Yeah. So that's about that. Uh, yeah. Oh Lord. Um, yeah. So control manager say, hey, we want to do a jump. Do your jump. Jump manager, jump. Jump queued. Cool. Evaluate the desired action for the jump queued. If it's a decross, evaluate if it's otherwise that. Otherwise, go back and then cool. We've got updated jump queue. Desired jump after evaluation. That is that. Let me just make sure I've got no errors before I call it a night. Probably gonna have an error somewhere or something. Didn't have methods or hidden class or some crap like that. Oh, this. Yep, yeah. Seems to be the only bug issue. Ironically. If that's the only thing, I'm happy. I think it might be. Wait, oh yeah, we gotta get rid of this stuff in there. Oh yeah, because we don't care about this. You know? And so again, filter out the action context. Now the beauty of this is it just works because again, yeah, filter out the action context just works because obviously it's generalized now. So it's based off the character things. Because yeah, your action has nothing like your animation has something in action, but your vault shouldn't be the one that determines what your world action is. Your character is the one determining what your action content is. Your character has a context of what the action is trying to do, not your vault. So I will have an action I want to do, say, and then in my vault manager say, oh, depending on what you want to do, filter out this vault that I have for you. Oh yeah, no errors. See if we get any crushes. Um, okay. Yeah, some dodgy stuff with the normal jumps. Yeah, just do a normal jump. Just jump normally. Happy days. off. Context is actually pretty good. 1, 2. Yeah. It's actually pretty, very, very accurate. Off. Yeah, so it's the jump now. I want to jump off. I want to jump over. I want to jump onto. Just want to jump normally. Just want to jump normally. I want to jump over. I want to jump normally. Yeah, I want to jump off. Yeah, pretty. Yeah, yeah, pretty damn good actually. Um. Okay, cool. Yeah. So clearly, just some stuff in the animation thing to fix. Um. So I feel like jumping over and stuff like that. I anticipated some selection stuff going a bit crazy. Probably because the oh yeah, maybe because they don't have an action context. Like they all need to be all their common parameters are normal, so they need to all be re-elaborated. So that'll be why. But yeah, seemingly normal one works fine, so the rest of them should. It's actually a pretty nice system. It's so much cleaner because now they all like technically yeah. So now basically this whole day was just spent refactoring code, but the long run is nicer because now it's just like this the sequence and the steps are so much cleaner. Like now it's like do jump. It's like okay, cool. Jump manager. I'd like to jump. Like, cool. Evaluate what your action is based on your current context. All right. Filter out your action context for your animation wise, the other stuff, and then start your jump. Same thing for the vaults. Nice. Oh, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. I'm not gonna check anything in until it's all working, like super clean. And I've done. Actually, you know, I'm gonna check this stuff in because it is good. Last thing to fix the controls, and then also fix frozen character after jump. I anticipate it's something to do with the callbacks. Um, because yeah, the actually it will be, won't it? It's because those animations don't have the callback. So because they don't have the callback, when it fires, it doesn't set it back to. It doesn't pop back to whatever. Although it seems like it does. Let's see. See, the fact that that doesn't have that is this. Huh? Start landing. Okay, well, that tells me what I need to know. Yeah, I wonder why. I mean, this doesn't actually look like it's getting cold. But it's probably because I changed up the notifiers. To be honest, that's probably why. That is probably why. It'll make the most sense. Yeah. Okay. Yep. I'll check that out. But I'll do that tomorrow. We check this stuff in anyways. Oh, I'm literally about to go to bed. Sorry, bro. I'll show you stream tomorrow, though, to be fair, in the daytime. Oh, but you will be awake. uh, so, cool. Ah, sweet. So, guys, I'm off to bed. Catch you tomorrow. Peace. Ah, yeah. Seventies. Up the England.